Hello students, today we are going to start practice set 12, question number 2. Find the HCF by division method reduced to the simplest form. That means you have to find HCF in the simplest form. Now here the question is given to you and you have to solve by division method, but not the same division but little bit different division method. So see here, you know the smaller number which we write outside and the bigger number we write inside it, and in this we write question in the above, but in this case we have to write question in on right hand side. Now in this we have to search that 275 ones are 275, so we will write here because 275 twos are is bigger, so that's why I am taking 275 ones are 275. Now same thing I will do, minus that 5 minus 5 is 0. Now 2 with 7 doesn't go, so I will take here 4 and here 12. Now 12 minus 7 it becomes a 5. Now 4 minus 2, that is 2. Now 250 we get. Now see what you have to do. In this again you have to draw like this, and in this you have to write this. Be remember the students, you have to write this thing over here 275. Again you have to extend and you have to do like this. Now see, I am hiding this here because no confusion should be created to you. Now see here, this is your divisor and this is your dividend. In here you have to write a quotient. So here 250, how much? 275, then it doesn't come, so I will take 250 ones are 250. Again the same process I will do here, minus that 5 minus 0 is 5, and here 7 minus 5 is 2, and here 2 minus 2 is 0. Now again 25 is come. Now again what you will do, you will write this here. See here, again I am extending and I am writing here 250 here. Students, don't be confused. I am writing this divisor in dividend, and again I am writing here quotient. Now again I will hide this because no confusion should be created. Now see here 25. Now what I will do, 25, how much are 250? 25 tens are 250. So I will write here 10 and here 250. Now 0 0. That means the 0 remainder is come. So here we stop. So that means the smaller divisor which that come, that is HCF. So we will write here HCF is equal to 25. Be remember that the smaller divisor you have to write, that is HCF, when remainder becomes 0. Now in this what you have to do, you have to write this question again here, like 275 upon 525. In this you have to write the division sign, and see 25 you have to divide with this and with this. See here 25 divided and this also divided by 25. Now you have to solve this. See here, rough work I am doing here. Now 25 to 75. Now you know 25 ones are 25, 7 minus 5, that is 2. Now I will write this 5 here. Now again 25 ones are 25, that means 0 come here, so your answer is 11 here. So this answer is 11. Now we will find this thing, that is 25. Now 5, 25. In this you will take 25 2s are 50, and here 2 and here 0. So that means again 25. Now you know 25 ones are 25, that means 0 0. So 21 is the answer. So this is your answer of question number 2, first question. Like this we will solve the second one. The second question is 76 upon 133. So in this again we will solve by that method only. The smaller number here and the bigger number outside. Now we have to search that 76 ones are 76 we will take, because 76 twos are is bigger, so I am taking 76 ones are 76. Now minus sign. Now 3 with 6 doesn't go, so I am taking here 2 and here becomes 13. Now 13 minus 6, that is 7. Now 2 doesn't go with 7, so I will take this, so this becomes 0 and this becomes 12. Now 12 minus 7, this becomes 5. that is 57 we write here. Now what we will do, again we will extend this and I will write this divisor here and I will write my quotient here. Now see here, in 57 76 doesn't come, so I will take 57 ones are 57, again minus sign I will write here. Now 6 minus 7 doesn't go, so I will take 6 here and here 16 will be become, so 16 minus 7 that is 9 and 6 minus 5 that is 1, so 19 is come. What I will do, again I will extend and I will write this 57 here and quotient here. Now in 19 table 57, how much 57 comes, you know 19 3s are 57. Now minus sign I will write here, so that means the 0 is there, so we get the HCF. So HCF is equal to 19. Now what I will do, I will write this question as it is here and I will put division sign, and which HCF we got 19, so I will divide with 19. Now in rough work I will do this 19 divided by 76. Now here 19 divided by 76, then you know 19 4s are 76, so I will complete this, that means this is 4. Now here similarly we will see 19 133. Now 19 7s are 133, the answer will be 0, so that means we will write here 7. So we finish the answer here. Similarly we will solve the third one. Now third, that is 161 and 69. Here 69 is the smaller and 161 is greater, so I am writing like this. Now in this we will see with 2, 69 2s are 138. We will do minus 1 doesn't go, that means this becomes 11 and this will 5. Now 11 minus 8 that is 3. Now 5 minus 3 that is 2 and this 1 minus 1 0. So that means 23. Again I will write this divisor here and I will extend this. Now 23. 23 3s are 69. 23 3s are 69 and here remainder is 0. So the HCF is 23. Now again we will write this whole thing here divided by 23. Now in rough work we will do that 23 divided by 161, that is 23 7s are 161, that means 7 here, and similarly we will see this 23 69s are 69, how much 23 3s are 69, which we already have seen, so here 3. So that means we stop here. So thank you students. In the next video I will show you problem set 13.